Khabor Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka China kala aiding biang ke India dak bakam Trai ya ke Shaksgam Valley ke badan Jammu and Kashmir. Ke India kala penpau ke jing Persha namar baka China kala sedang benwan China surok hakani ke Jaka ya ke India kala mahamru bakam de ben kintur namar baka de ke Jaka ke bahap hapo pur sam jong ke India. Kena aktin jong ke Foreign Ministry jong ke China ke morning kala keren chiglar patai kubor dak boong baka Shaksgam Valley ke de ke Jaka jong ke China baka China kala benle kat baman. Kelakam baga China kala yo soy sekolah nadu kisnam ke kanais bandru phokli baga Pakistan halokani ke Jaka.
Shaksgam Valley is Indian territory. We have never recognized the so-called China-Pakistan boundary agreement that happened in 1963. We have consistently maintained that the agreement is illegal and invalid. We do not recognize the so-called China-Pakistan economic corridor either, which passes through Indian territory that is under forcible and illegal occupation of Pakistan. The entire Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh are an integral and inalienable part of India. This has been clearly conveyed to Pakistani and the Chinese authorities several times. We have consistently protested with the Chinese side against attempts to alter the ground reality in Shaksgam Valley. We further reserve the right to take necessary measures to safeguard our interests.